Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Tech. In this video I'll show to you guys how you can download and install SketchUp 2022 Pro Edition. SketchUp have just released the new edition for this year and there are many changes on this software. I'll put the link on the description below where you can come to this page of SketchUp where you can see all the features and the new functions that will be introduced on this version of SketchUp. The new version of SketchUp is supported for Windows 11 2 and Windows 10 and Mac OS. So the first step that we need to do is to download SketchUp. For that, we just need to open the SketchUp website. So we just search on Google sketchup.com. I'll put the link on the description below so you can come directly on the page of SketchUp. And then once you are here, you need to go over resources. And from here, we need to click over Help Center. And then we need to click over Getting Started and downloading, installing, and authorizing SketchUp. So we click over that link and then will be on this page where we can download SketchUp Pro 2022. So once you are in this page, we need to click over downloading SketchUp. Here we have the possibility to download SketchUp Pro based on the operating system that I am using. If you are using Mac OS, you need to download this version over here. And if you are using Windows operating system, you need to click over download for SketchUp Pro 2022 for Windows. Before we start the download, you need to keep it in your mind that you need to have in your computer installed this Visual Studio 2015 and also Microsoft.NET Framework 4.5.2. Here you can find also information regarding your graphic card and hardware requirements. You just have to click over this link here, hardware requirements, and you can find a more detailed requirements regarding the hardware and the operating system that you need to have before you install SketchUp Pro 2022. You will have also the possibility to install SketchUp on a computer without an internet connection, and if that's the case, you just need to download for SketchUp Pro 2022 the offline installer for Windows. In this case, I have internet, so I'm just going to download SketchUp by clicking over this link here, download SketchUp Pro 2022 for Windows. So now the executable file of SketchUp is downloading. It is around 250 megabytes and it will take a couple of seconds till it's downloaded. If you want to install previous version of SketchUp Pro, I have done a video regarding SketchUp Pro 2021, how to download and to install it, and you can find the link on the description below. So once the setup file is downloaded, you need to browse to the folder where it is located, and once you go there, you just double click over the setup file and the installation process will start. So the default language for SketchUp is English, but if you want to change, you just click over change and then you select the language that you want to use. Also here is the destination directory where SketchUp will be installed. If you want to change this, you can just click over change and you can change it. But if you don't have a certain reason to do that, you just click over install and the installation will start. It will take a couple of minutes to install SketchUp Pro 2022. So here we go, SketchUp now is installed in my computer and it's ready to go. So basically that's all that you have to do in order to download and install SketchUp Pro 2022 on your computer. The steps are pretty much the same on Windows 10 or Windows 11. I hope that you liked this video and please do not forget to subscribe so you can see more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching.